When it comes to home maintenance, a new roof is one of the biggest projects on the list. Figuring out what's best for you and your home can feel intimidating. At Feldco, we make your roofing project as simple as possible by listening to your needs and providing the best options to bring your new roof to life. As one of the biggest investments you'll make in your home, roofing replacement needs to be completed with quality materials, extreme care, and a deep attention to detail. At Feldco, we've got you covered. We've partnered with the best in the business when it comes to roofing products and materials, Owens Corning. Together, we have over 100 years of experience in the home improvement industry. As with all Feldco products, the harsh weather conditions of the Midwest are a driving factor behind every roof installed. Owens Corning's true definition duration shingles with patented sure-nail technology offer a triple layer of protection against the elements. Whether it's snow, rain, ice, even 130-mile-per-hour winds, this breakthrough design keeps your home warm, safe, and comfortable. And with over 20 color choices, you're sure to find the curb appeal you're looking for. With an industry-leading 50-year warranty, you'll have confidence that your new Feldco roof will stand the tests of time. When you're ready to get your roofing project started, call or visit us online.
Feldco, improving lives one home at a time.